Hello, good day. My name is Poy. Then in the last tutorial, we know the every method. So now let's talk about the fill method. Okay. Okay. Yes. So now let's talk about what is fill method. Fill method is used to change all element in an array to a specified value. It modifies the original array in place and return to modified array. So let's create a syntax of our fill method. Fill. So in the fill method, we have a three parameter. First is a value. So this is the value is the value that we need to um what value what we are modifying in our array. And the second parameter is a start of what index what we want to start to modify. And the last one is end. As you can see here, the start and end is has a question mark. It means this is an optional. So for the start, the default value for this one is 0, and for the end, the default value for this one is the length of the array. Okay, so let's create our actual example for our fill method. So let's create a fruit for this one, and then we have maybe four elements. Okay, apple, mango, banana, and then grape, like this one. Then I want to use this fruits. I want to fill this one, modify this one by using the fill method. I want to change the value of apple, mango. I want to change to maybe orange, and start from 0 since I want to change apple, and to the last one until 2 since end is the our end of our modified. And then the value of end 2 is not included. So let's console.log our fruits. Let's check, then run the code. As you can see here, I have orange and orange, banana, grape. From the original fruit array value, we have apple and mango inside of our index 0 and 1. And then like what I said, the value of the end number 2 of our fill is not included since this is the end. Okay. I hope I explain and I give you a sample on what fill method. If you have any question or recommendation or any comment, you can message in our comment section. And that's it. Thank you and goodbye.